Hello and welcome to seminar named Basic and Beyond. Idea is to show how we can build from basic figures which are described in technique books, free figures which you can dance in open class. And today we will dance natural Fallaway to counter promenade position with spin ending. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija. And we start with Fallaway. This time we will start back and we will turn to right, so it is called natural Fallaway. Man starts with left foot back to side, back in Fallaway, then to side in counter promenade position and forward in counter promenade position with spin ending. In this situation, I think it's a good idea to not to lower at the end of natural Fallaway, but stay up and continue pivot ending from counter promenade position on the toes. Let's look how Andrejs and Kornelija dance this version. So we start back with natural Fallaway to counter promenade position, and in counter promenade position we dance spin ending. Now you did slightly overturned version. Let's do simple version. 1, 2, 3, and man ends backing line of dance. Let's do again. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now let's do from opposite angle. Again, we start with natural Fallaway. 1 and 2 in counter promenade 3 and spin ending 1, 2, 3. So we end with this simple spin ending. Of course, you can always do more pivoting action to right, but today we stay with this simple ending. But now let's look how we can begin our routine. We will do this by running spin turn, which is a natural turn, 3 steps, then pivot and open natural turn ending. And now we will put whole routine together. We start with preparation step, then running spin turn, which is basic figure of course. Then we do natural Fallaway to counter promenade position and spin ending from counter promenade position. Very good. And now let's do it from opposite angle. And this time with teaching count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now to music. let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Andrejs and Kornelija. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal experience with me with Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.